Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to compare two popular air fryers, Chefman Small Air Fryer and Cosori Air Fryer Pro. We'll evaluate these air fryers based on several aspects and help you decide which one is the right fit for you. So don't forget to hit the like button, comment with your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option, then the Chefman Small Air Fryer is your go-to. It's under $40, while the Cosori Air Fryer Pro is priced higher at $99. If you're cooking for one or two people, both air fryers have ample capacity. The Chefman Small Air Fryer can hold 2.1 quarts, while the Cosori Air Fryer Pro has a 5-quart cooking space. It depends on the amount of food you want to cook. Both air fryers offer manual temperature control and a timer setting. However, Cosori Air Fryer Pro offers 9 cooking functions with personalized shake reminders and a tempered glass display. So it depends on how versatile you want your air fryer to be. Both air fryers come with a non-stick basket, which makes cleaning easy. However, Chefman Small Air Fryer has a removable basket and tray that are top rack dishwasher safe, while Cosori Air Fryer Pro is dishwasher safe. Both air fryers give you the luxury of frying food with minimum or no oil. Chefman Small Air Fryer uses at least 98% less oil than traditional fryers, while Cosori Air Fryer Pro cuts down 85% of oil usage, so you get a healthy, crispy fried finish. Cosori Air Fryer Pro provides an added advantage of having 30 original recipes by Cosori R&D chefs in the cookbook and over 100+ recipes on the free VSync app. With Chefman Small Air Fryer, you'll have to go through traditional recipe books. Cosori Air Fryer Pro also provides disposable liners and an accessory set to perfectly complement your cooking. So there you have it, our comparison of Chefman Small Air Fryer and Cosori Air Fryer Pro. Both air fryers have their unique features and benefits, and it depends on your preference and budget. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option with easy cleaning, go for Chefman Small Air Fryer. If you want a versatile and premium air fryer with added accessories, go for Cosori Air Fryer Pro. Don't forget to hit the like button, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Thank you for tuning in.